Hello teachers and to all who are watching. So if you want the soft copy of the file that is being flashed, so check nyo lang po yung description. Sa mga hindi po nakakaalam kung nasaan yung description nitong video, kung gamit mo ay cellphone, click the title and then makikita nyo po dyan yung description and then lalabas yung mga words or sentences or yung description nitong video na ito. Kung laptop naman, makikita nyo po agad. So just find the links, then download the soft copy. But don't forget, hihingan po kayo ng password. Ang password natin ay makikita sa video. So just watch anyway. Maikli lang naman po yung ating video. So this is also some simple way of showing support sa ating channel. If you have questions, don't hesitate to comment or join sa aming group which is named Educational Files. Ilalagay ko din po yung link ng group page namin so that you can easily join. So I hope nakakatulong tayo. God bless and ingat po tayong lahat.